Hello, this is Catherine from Catherine's Granny Squares. Today I'm going to show you how you can start off on your crochet journey. To start off, you need to get the yarn onto your crochet hook. You don't have to go out and buy expensive yarn or wool or indeed expensive hooks. I would suggest maybe an Aran weight yarn or like a chunky yarn, for example, and a 5mm or above crochet hook. So to get the yarn onto the hook, we use a slip knot. This is a slip knot here. Just take the hook out to show you. That is what we're aiming for. So let me show you how to do that. I've got the end of the yarn here and the working yarn on the left hand side. That's the ball of yarn, and I want to make a little circle, so I'm just going to put the yarn over like that. Just to make a circle. You make it the other way is just put it over your fingers, basically just to make a little loop or circle. I then get my hook, I go into that circle and just turn it so the hook is facing down and catch the yarn, and then I just pull it. We'll just do that all again to show you. That's the end of the yarn. The ball of yarn is here. Just put the yarn round to make a circle, or if you want to, you can put it around your fingers. Get the hook, go into the circle and catch that end of yarn, and then just pull to tighten up. Now don't make it too tight. You want some give because you need to make your chains and you don't want to have the slip knot so tight you can't pull through. That's how I do it, but how I started years and years ago was much the same, but I'm going to show you it because you might want to do that. Lay the yarn on a surface like a table. Got your ball of yarn here and the end of the yarn here. Get the end and just make a circle. Do that again. Get the end and just make a circle. Again with that end, just put it behind the circle. Do that again. So you've got your end, make the circle, then put that end behind the circle and get the hook, and then just get that middle part of yarn and pull. That's the way I started with years and years and years ago, and then I went on to do it the first way I showed you. Now I want to show you how to do a chain. As I say, don't make your slip knot too tight because you want a bit of a gap to get the first chain through. Now to do a chain, we need to yarn over. To yarn over, all that means is to get the yarn over the hook. You can at the beginning use your whole hand, and you'll modify your yarn hold later on, and you might just use a finger to get the yarn over the hook. But at the moment I just want to show you how to do it by just yarning over, and I'm just going to take it over with my whole hand to show you at the beginning, and then just hold on, because you've got to get this yarned over yarn through here. So just hold on. I'm just going to hold on to this tail end, but I've also just got my finger through so I can just have some tension on the long piece of yarn. So just very carefully bring the hook through to make a chain. So again, yarn over, either using your finger, or at the beginning you might just want to put use your whole hand to bring it across, it doesn't matter. And then just hold on to this tail end and just gently pull through. Yarn over, so you're laying the yarn over the hook, and then just gently pull through. Yarn over and gently pull through. Or as I say, you might just want to use your whole hand to put it over, it doesn't matter. Gently pull through. I'll do a few using my whole hand like that, and then just hold on to your row. You'll see you're getting a row chain, so it's easier to hold on to. Or you might just want to use your finger to put it over. Whichever way you want to practice that feels comfortable. And that is what you're aiming for, a little row of chains. They almost look like V's on the top, but if you turn them over they look bumpy. So you have little bumps. And don't worry at the beginning if these chains are all non-uniform shaped, some bigger, some smaller. Doesn't matter, because you're practicing, and practice makes perfect. So just keep going and have a little practice until you are happy doing the chain. And that is very basic start to your crochet journey, because really you need to get the yarn onto the hook, and you do need to have some chains to start off most patterns. So that is the first part of learning how to crochet, and as I say, do not be worried if they're not all the same shape and neat. That will come with practice. If you like the little videos that I put out, it costs absolutely nothing to subscribe to this channel, and if you press the bell you'll be notified as and when I put up a new video. So I hope you get on alright with that. If you have any questions, please put them into the comments box below and I will do my best to answer them. So I will hopefully see you again soon on your crochet journey, but bye for now. Bye.